My name is Peter. I'm one of the senior sales consultants here with Energy Advantage. I've been with the company over a couple of years. Not only do I help come to your home and design and set up your solar systems, I also am a customer of our company with our equipment. That means everything I'm going to be in the home offering to you, our panels, our design, the way we work it, I put on my own home because I trust this technology. I think it's the best technology and the best value for you as a customer.